I'm John Snell.
And I'm Brett Kendall.
Hey, Brett, good to see you today.
Oh, you're looking good, John.
You're looking fantastic.
Oh, I know.
Today, we are talking about threading. So, one of the common questions we get here at the shop is customer that has a mouthpiece that feels great to them, but doesn't necessarily get the sound that they wanted.
I mean, a lot of times, guys, they say, well, I love the rim, but the rest sucks.
Yeah, either it doesn't get the sound, or it's hard to play, or it's out of tune. So one thing you can do is spend a heck of a lot of money and get a custom mouthpiece made that has the rim and cup and back bore, all the different variables that you need. But why reinvent the wheel when you can put parts together? So Brett, you want to explain what we're doing today?
Yeah, so, I mean, basically that's what we're going to do. So we've got a customer that they like the feel of one rim, they like the sound of another underpart, so basically we're going to make that happen for them. I mean, the same way that our standard mouthpieces are a screw rim, we're going to make a screw rim mouthpiece out of these two. You do lose the rest of the mouthpiece. That's just part of the game because we have to cut it off. So you save a rim or you save a bottom. You can't save both. But you get what you want in the end. And we're not trying to hand carve something custom that takes, a lot more time and a lot more money if we don't have to, And, you end up with the same exact pieces that you had before, but put together in the way you want them.
Now, a lot of times what we'll do is there'll be a customer that has, say, like a 3C size, and they want something shallower because now they're playing lead or playing more commercial work. We're kind of going the opposite. This is a kind of a lead mouthpiece, larger diameter rim, but it's a fairly shallow cup. And then we're going to be putting it on this 5C, so a deeper cup. So you're getting this diameter rim, but with a deeper cup. So we're going to save this rim, save this bottom part, and put them together. So let's go.
So here we have the rim. It's all finished and threaded, and it fits, our thread gauges correctly. And basically the next step is going to be threading the underpart and seeing how they fit up together. All right, we're done.
How's it looking?
Oh, it looks good. So there is a little bit of a mismatch between the rim and the cup, which happens sometimes. So we'll have to contact our customer and see what they'd like to do. Some players care about that kind of thing. Some players don't. It depends on what they feel.
Is that going to be a problem with how we're playing?
It depends on the player, because some players, they get a lot of their lip into the cup, and they will definitely feel, the little bit of a sharp edge, either the rim or the cup. Some players don't get a lot of lip into the cup, and they'll never feel it as deep as where the meeting point is. So,
but acoustically, it doesn't affect how the mouthpiece plays.
No, and that's the thing. It'll play just like it should as a mouthpiece. It's only going to be an issue if you can actually feel it, and it changes how you're responding to the mouthpiece.
So even if the customer does want it matched up, it's a real easy job for us to do.
Mm-hmm.
We would go in there and do some handwork to make sure the diameters match up,
just
as if the mouthpiece was made together.
Correct.
So there you have it. Instead of a several $100 job to make a custom mouthpiece, now we ended up with the customer's rim that they like the feel of, with the deeper 5C cup underpart that they wanted the darker sound, and now we put those parts together and didn't reinvent the wheel doing it.
Saved a lot of time and money. Yep.
Good work, Brett. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of our videos. And if you're interested in something, a job like this, if it's something that would help you with your playing, feel free to reach out to us. We're always available by phone or email. Of course, we're on Facebook and Twitter, Instagram, all of those places. But for consultation, the best way to reach us is either by phone or email. So be sure to contact us, see if there's anything we can do for you. Thanks for watching.